Alright guys, this is an update. I finally figured out how to fix this thing. It's on and installing Black Ops update data, but underneath here, right under, oh that's dark, jeez. Underneath your PlayStation, right about underneath the eject button, there's a little compartment where you can unscrew and, release your disk drive, but if you pull that thing off, there's a little hole where it connects inside your PlayStation. There, you stick your screwdriver in there and you turn it a bit. Turn it all the way backwards, I believe right, and that made it read my disc. It accepts it now. There's no more clicking noise, so happy birthday to me.